Welcome to 518 Sound Drive, a true move-in ready home in the heart of Midtown Nexton. This 3-bed, 2.5-bath home is practically brand new, but even better, with custom blinds, upgraded trim work, a beautifully designed backyard patio, and so much more. This home also sits on one of the nicest lots in the neighborhood, large, fully fenced in, and backs to these peaceful woods. For more information on 518 Sound Drive or to schedule your own private showing, reach out to me today.